Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp eyes for fly tying. First, gather your materials, including monofilament, beads, and thread. We'll then prepare the monofilament and attach the beads securely. Next, I'll guide you through the steps to properly position and secure these eyes onto your fly. This method ensures your shrimp patterns are both realistic and robust, enhancing your chances of a successful catch. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Grab some 20-pound monofilament line. This forms the sturdy stalks for your eyes. For the eyes themselves, select 2 small, black, round beads. Your tying thread should be strong, with 140 denier being a good choice. Don't forget your standard fly tying tools, a vise, bobbin, sharp scissors, and some head cement for durability. Now, let's construct the eyes. Cut a 3-inch piece of monofilament for each pair of eyes you plan to make. Thread 1 bead onto each end of the monofilament. Carefully use a lighter to gently melt the very tip of each monofilament end. This creates a small, melted ball that securely holds the beads in place, preventing them from slipping off during tying or fishing. With your eyes prepared, it's time to attach them to your fly. Position the monofilament stalks over the hook shank, ensuring the eyes are evenly spaced and facing forward. Use your tying thread to make several tight, overlapping wraps around the monofilament, securing it firmly to the hook. Finish by applying a small drop of head cement to these thread wraps. Let it dry completely to ensure maximum durability and a long-lasting fly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.